Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from CodeRevolution once again. So let me show you a new message that popped up for me right now in my creator studio in YouTube. Congrats, your self-certification ratings are accurate, so you get faster monetization decisions. When our systems need more time, we've introduced a new checking icon to let creators keep track of progress. And if we click learn more, we will see that there will be a new icon checking when uploading videos. So these are the monetization statuses for videos, and now there might be also a new icon which is checking. So we will see this icon when our system are checking a video for ad suitability. So it takes less than 20 minutes usually, and at most 1 hour. Afterwards, the checking status will be changed to unlimited, ineligible, or off. So also I seem to have more decision power because I rated my videos correctly, and if we check my latest videos, all are clean and fully monetized because they don't discuss sensitive subjects and they don't have anything in them that would be flagged by YouTube. And yeah, I flagged them also as clean content and fully monetizable, and I did it correctly. And now it seems that YouTube rewarded me because my self-certification ratings are accurate and I get faster monetization decisions. So if I click on a newly uploaded video that it does not contain any unmonetizable content, then YouTube will trust me more. This is what this means. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated on any news and progress I make with this self-certification rating score for my channel, and it seems that right now it's going up. Okay, so this is all for this update. I will keep you guys updated for any new stuff that pops up here on my YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will release new videos each day at 8 p.m. GMT, so also hit the bell notification if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. And yeah, stay safe, have a great day, bye bye.